Local news for Friday the 3rd of May. Some outstanding hunting is in store for game bird hunters when the new season opens tomorrow. Fish and Game Communications Advisor Richard Cosgrove says that rain has fallen over large parts of the country in recent weeks, topping up dams and pond levels. Wellington Region staff are predicting one of the best seasons in years. Free trains for Hurricanes ticket holders may sound great and extra services, but the Wairarapa will sadly miss out. Travel on all Metlink trains to and from the Hurricanes Rebels match is included in your match ticket for train users on Saturday. But getting home to Wairarapa won't be possible on the train with only regular services available. Masterton District Council has agreed to sell 30.78 hectares of land bordering Gordon and Kitchener Street, commonly known as the Williams Block. It's been purchased by Westwood Property Group for $2.4 million with plans for residential housing. And in Premier Rugby, tonight we'll see Ikanahuna host Gladstone. Tomorrow, Marist will have a tough ask against Greytown. East Coast are at home to Masterton Red Star, and Carterton will take on Martinborough and Carterton.